ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಲಿತ ಪಾಠ ಫ್ರಮ್ 3rd ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಿನ ಕಲಿತ ಪಾಠ, ಈ ಪಾಠದ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಲೆಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ಐ ಲೀವ್ ದ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ವಾಚ್. All the lessons and poems of 3rd standard Kannada is completed and it is mentioned in the playlist. The playlist link I'll give it here. Also, it is available in the description box. Please do check it out. Let's start with the Kalitha Paata exercise. Take out your textbook, pencil tagoli, eraser tagoli. We'll start. So, and Makla, please remember that I will be going to give the meaning for the question. I'll make you to understand the meaning of the questions, but I'm not giving the direct answer for any of the exercise here. Okay, na? So, let's start with today's activity. So, first we have Artha Tiliyeri. While explaining the poem itself, I have already explained the meanings. If you find any difficulty, any of the words if you find I have not provided, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll help you out with the meanings. Let's start with the next one, Abhyasa. ಖಾಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳನ್ನು, ದ ಎಂಟಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪದಗಳಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪದ, ರೈಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ರೀಡ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್, fill the answers. So it's very easy. So I'll leave this one for you. Next one ಏನಿದೆ, ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಫಾರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. I'll explain the meaning of the question. You have to find the answer. ಮಗು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೊರಟಿತ್ತು? How the baby went, it started to the school. So ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಸಾ ಏನಿದೆ, ನಾ ಪಾಟಿ ಹೊತ್ತು ಹೊಸ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಧರಿಸಿ ನಡೆದಿದ್ದೆ ಶಾಲೆ ಕಡೆಗೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ 2 lines that you have to write it here. Okay na? So the magu was wearing a new clothes and it was taking a slate and it was going to the school. Correct. ನಾಯಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗಿತ್ತು? Where the dog was sleeping. ಎಲ್ಲಿ is a where, ಮಲಗಿತ್ತು was sleeping. ನಾಯಿ is a dog. Where the dog was sleeping. Third question, ನಾಯಿ ಆವೇಶದಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು? ಸೊ ಆವೇಶ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೋಪದಿಂದ, ವಿತ್ ಹರಿ ನಾಯಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಡು? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು ನಾಯಿ? ಯಾವ ತಪ್ಪು ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಕಲಿಸಿತು? ವಿಚ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಬಾಯ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್? ಯಾವ ತಪ್ಪು? ತಪ್ಪು ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು, ಈ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸ್ವಂತ ವಾಕ್ಯ ರಚಿಸಿ. ಸ್ವಂತ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಓನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ರಚಿಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ದ ಓನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. I'll give the meaning, frame the sentence. Kannu is I, nenapidu is remember. Okay, next ಮಾದರಿಯಂತೆ as example, ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲಿರುವ in the below words. ಕೆಳಗಿನ is a below, ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ in the below words. ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರಗಳಿಗೆ for the ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ವೃತ್ತ ಹಾಕಿ ಗುರುತಿಸಿ. You have to make a circle for the ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ and you have to identify it. So what are the words? So if you observe in the first Madari, they have given Kedarittu. Tu has a Tavattu. So they have encircled that one. So similarly, do it for all the 4 words where you have find the Ottakshara, the baby letter. Okay, next one. Madariyante. So as example, Kelagi Padagala Konege, for the words ending ali. In the ending of every word, Re Akshara Baruva Padagalannu Bareri. You have to write the words where the last letter should be re. So first example they have given tere. So re. So you can write mare, sere. Okay. So I have given 2. So I want you to try 2 words. Find out 2 words from your textbook. You will find it out and write it down. Okay na? Next. ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬದಲಿಸಿ. So ಮೊದಲನೆಯ first one ಅಕ್ಷರ letter ಬದಲಿಸಿ. Change it. ಅರ್ಥವುಳ್ಳ ಪದ ರಚಿಸಿರಿ. So you have to frame the one more word that should have a meaning. So first one they have given malagu. So instead of a ma, they have used tolagu. Malagu is sleep. Tolagu andre get out, get lost. Okay, so there should be a meaning for that one. Okay, next one we have a ogedu. Okay na? Ogeduge you can mention the one more is negedu. Negedu andre jump ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. Okay, kedari. Next one you can write gadari. And then to shout on someone, to raise the voice on someone. Bogalu is a barking. Tegalu andre to say someone that it is not good, to talk something bad, that one. That is tegalodu. Dharisi, to wear it. Okay. Dharisi, orisi. ಒರೆಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಟು ವೈಪ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನಿರದೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರದೆ. ಸಾರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಲ್ಲೊಂದು, ಕಲ್ಲು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಂದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆವೇಶದೊಳಗೆ, ಆವೇಶ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಸಾರಿ, ಆವೇಶದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಆವೇಶದೊಳಗೆ. Okay, wonderful. So here we complete the Kalitha paata exercises. If you have any doubt or any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section or write a mail to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. Sorry, my voice is not so comfortable. I really apologize for that one. So thank you so much. Please do watch the playlist and share this video with your friends. Anta helta namaskara, dhanyavada. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.